Hey everybody, welcome back to Tool Belts and Lace. There we go. Now my hand's off the microphone. So we're back here on our property doing some stuff while we have some beautiful weather. And so Jason just finished running to the hardware store. Say hello.
Hello.
For a couple of little items we needed, but we thought we'd give you a quick update on how things are going out here at the cabin. So we got here yesterday and didn't have enough time to get started on the chimney install, but we did get some other things accomplished. For example, we finished putting up the shelving units here, which are made out of a beautiful wood, and it's got the raw edge on there. And so we got those up, and then we also created a custom table that folds flat to the wall. And you can see that we use the remnant of the same wood that we used for the shelving over there with the bark edge on there. And we just have it in here with some shims that are screwed in to support it, and then there's a felt tip on this end of the leg. And then, so all you have to do is lift up a little bit, remove the leg, and then it folds flat to the wall. So I will be building some custom bar stools that'll be the correct height, but they're also going to have storage inside too, to make sure that we have enough storage space for all the things that we want to have here, so at our fingertips. But today's project, the big project, is finishing the chimney. And if you remember, before we had installed the shelf and put the stove on the shelf, but now we are putting the chimney in, and so we've got everything in place, and magically we have a lovely hole here that goes all the way through the roof, and we cut that today with quite a lot of effort. But we discovered that the tongue and groove on the inside of this place is 1.5 inches thick, which is totally awesome. It's really well insulated. Then it's got a foam barrier, foam insulation, and then the metal roof. So we're getting ready. Jason had to run and get some foil tape, so we're gonna tape the foil, or do the foil tape along the edges along that hole, and then we can safely run the pipe through it, and it'll have this covering the hole on the inside, and then we have the boot on the outside. So this piece here is a double wall insulated stovepipe that connects to this piece, and so that will go up through the ceiling, and then we have another 2-foot piece that we'll put on top of that. And of course, before we do that, we'll secure it to the metal roof and get the boot on and all that stuff. And then there's a chimney cap that goes on the very, very top for rain protection. So things are going great, and we just wanted to give you an update on how we're doing out here. So just remember, if we can do it, you can do it. Get to it.